Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Cyber Guardian channel. Today, I'll show you a quick fix for the VMware Fusion error that says cannot open the disk, that vmdk file, or one of the snapshot disk it depends on. Module disk power on failed. If you see this error, your VM might be stuck because of lock files. I'll show you how to safely remove these lock files so you can power on your virtual machine again. Let's get started. First, make sure VMware is completely closed. If the VM or VMware is running, close it to avoid file conflicts. Now, open Finder and navigate to the folder where your virtual machines are stored. Click on Home, then open the Virtual Machines folder. Find the virtual machine that won't open, then right-click on it and choose Show Package Contents. This will open the internal folder that contains all the VM's files, including the virtual disk, config files, and any locked files. Look for any files or folders that end with .lck. These are lock files that VMware creates to prevent multiple processes from accessing the virtual machine at the same time. Go ahead and delete .lck files or folders. Don't worry, removing these won't harm your virtual machine. They're just leftover locks, often from an improper shutdown. After deleting the .lck files, open the VMware Fusion again. Now try to start your virtual machine. You should no longer see the cannot open the disk error and your VM should start normally. And that's it. Deleting that LCK file or folder is a simple but effective for the cannot open the disk error in VMware Fusion. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.